आज हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं अडेप्टेशन इन प्लांट्स चैप्टर 6। तो ये एक साइंस का चैप्टर है और ये प्लांट्स के बारे में है। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Adaptation in plants. Plants are found almost everywhere on earth. Deserts, mountain tops, plains, seashores, and even underwater. They can grow in a variety of habitats. Based on their habitats, plants can be divided into terrestrial and aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants include the plants that grow in plains, deserts, coastal areas, swamps, or on mountains. Plants in plains. Large flat areas of land are called plains. The plants growing in plains can be placed in two categories. Plants in areas receiving low rainfall. Some plants like neem, gulmohar, mango, and ashoka grow in areas where there is low rainfall. Many of these trees survive in very hot climate. Such trees show the following adaptations. They have many branches with many broad flat leaves to capture sunlight to prepare their food. Their bark is quite thick to prevent evaporation. They may shed their leaves in dry season. They are called deciduous trees. Plants in areas receiving heavy rainfall. Trees like rubber tree and teak tree grow in areas where there is heavy rainfall throughout the year. Some adaptations that they show are where there is heavy rainfall throughout the year. Some adaptations that they show are they have a thin smooth bark. Their leaves have a drip tip which enables raindrops to run off quickly. These trees do not shed all their leaves. They remain green throughout the year. Hence, they are also called evergreen trees. Plants on mountains. Highly raised areas of land are called mountains. The climate here is colder than the plains. Some trees that grow on mountains and hills are pine, fir, and deodar. Some of their adaptations are they are usually tall, straight, and cone shaped. This allows the snow to easily slide off them. They have small needle-like leaves with a wax-like coating on them to prevent damage from snow. These trees do not bear flowers. Instead of flowers, they have cones which bear seeds. Plants in deserts. Deserts are very hot and dry regions. As they receive very little rainfall, many varieties of cactus and trees like baobab and date palms grow in deserts. They show the following changes to adapt it to the harsh conditions of the desert. They have very few or no leaf to prevent loss of water from the leaves. The leaves are present in the form of thorns and spines which protect them from being eaten by animals. The task of leaves is performed by the green stems of these plants. The stems perform photosynthesis and prepare food. The stem of these plants are thick and fleshy as they store food and water in them. Plants in swamps. Swamps are wet plants which have a sticky soil with water in it. The plants that grow in swamps are called mangrove plants. The adaptations that are present in these plants are it becomes quite difficult for plants to grow in swamps as the roots are not able to breathe. Hence, these plants prop themselves above the water level with still roots and can then absorb air through pores in their roots. These roots are called breathing roots. The breathing roots, also called help to absorb water and minerals to carry out photosynthesis. Plants in coastal areas. The areas near the sea coast are called coastal areas. The weather conditions are harsh in these areas with strong salt-laden winds, saline rocky and sandy soil. Trees like coconut have adapted themselves to grow in such areas. Their adaptations are their fruits are light and thus can be scattered by the sea water and taken to far away places. The trees are very tall so that they can grow above other trees to get sunlight. They do not have branches and have thin leaves to tolerate strong winds. The roots are very strong and do not let the tree to fall down in strong winds. So thank you for watching guys. आपको लग रहा होगा कि मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ तक रीड क्यों किया है, तो इसका पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 आएगा जैसे पिछले वीडियो में था, पर कोई टेक्निकल इश्यूज़ की वजह से नहीं आ पाया था, तो सॉरी, पर इसका ज़रूर आएगा। तो ये पार्ट 1 था। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा और सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर 45 सब्सक्राइबर्स। बस 5 सब्सक्राइबर्स और बढ़े तो हमारे 50 सब्सक्राइबर्स हो जाएंगे। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।